Now, this story has made national headlines because the child came to Indianapolis from Ohio for the procedure. Abortion is banned in Ohio after 6 weeks, and right now it is legal in Indiana at least until 22 weeks.
Tonight, Attorney General Rokita is promising to continue his investigation into this. Meantime, Fox 59's Nick McGill joins us with the new developments and those documents that we uncovered today. Nick?
Yeah, that's right, Dan. AG Todd Rokita questioned if Indiana OB/GYN Dr. Caitlin Bernard reported the abortion and did so within the required number of days. Now, Fox 59 submitted a public records request on Tuesday, and today we obtained the terminated pregnancy report Dr. Bernard filed. Now, it shows that she did in fact file the law. The report details the abortion for a 10-year-old patient on June 30th. Dr. Bernard filed the report to the Department of Health on July 2nd, noting abuse. It was also filed within the number of days required by the law. Now, this story came to light earlier this month when Dr. Bernard told the Indy Star she would be helping the young girl who could not get the procedure in Ohio because abortions there are banned after 6 weeks. This week, the man accused of raping the child was arrested. After Fox 59 obtained Dr. Bernard's report today, her attorney released a statement saying in part, she took every appropriate and proper action in accordance with the law and both her medical and ethical training as a physician. She has not violated any law, including patient privacy laws, and she has not been disciplined by her employer. Her attorney also says they're considering legal action against those who, in their words, have smeared the doctor, including Rokita. Tonight, Rokita's office issued a statement following us getting this report, saying we are gathering evidence from multiple sources and agencies related to these allegations. Our legal review of it remains open. Now, last night, Rokita was on Fox News. That's where he originally questioned if Dr. Bernard followed the law and promised to investigate her actions.
If someone under the age of 16 or under the age of 18, or really any woman is having an abortion in our state, and then if a child's being sexually abused, of course, parents need to know, authorities need to know, public policy experts need to know. We all need to know as citizens in a free republic so we can stop this.
Rokita is now asking the governor to investigate the case and also wants to know if the doctor violated any HIPAA laws. Again, his office says tonight their legal review remains open. We will continue to follow developments in this story and bring them to you both on air and online at fox59.com.